Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn jobs with vehicles. The male truck driver.
This is a male truck driver.
Very good. This is a school bus driver.
This is a school bus driver.
This is a taxi driver.
This is a taxi driver.
This is a delivery van driver.
This is a delivery van driver.
This is a truck driver.
This is a truck driver.
This is an ambulance driver.
This is an ambulance driver.
This is a fire truck driver.
This is a fire truck driver.
This is a garbage truck driver.
This is a garbage truck driver.
This is long haul truck driver.
This is a long haul truck driver.
This is courier package delivery driver.
This is a courier package delivery driver.
Amazing! So, we have learned roles highlighting how different vehicles are used for different jobs and businesses. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye friends.